The 12th North Lancashire Soul Festival, taking place over the weekend of 18th to the 20th of May 2018, is proud to announce the only UK appearance of the legendary Arthur Miles. His set will include his club classics Helping Hand and Tripping on Your Love, as well as some of his more modern tracks. He'll be performing on both Friday and Saturday nights, and limited discount early bird tickets are currently available, priced at just £15 for the whole weekend, and we've absorbed the booking fee, so that's all you'll pay. However, this offer won't last long, and due to venue capacities, access is strictly limited, so get yours now. Go to North Lancs, that's Lancs, northlancssoulfestival.co.uk. 12th North Lancashire Soul Festival, 30 of the country's top DJs playing for 3 days in 3 rooms, plus the legendary Arthur Miles. Go to northlancssoulfestival.co.uk for further details.